AI-powered Google search ads. By combining AI-powered search ads, you can create ads that adapt to show more relevant messages to more people while meeting your ROI goals. What consumers want and how they're searching for it is constantly changing. This makes it more difficult for you to anticipate every possible search that's relevant to your business. By pairing broad match with smart bidding, you can use auction time signals to set the right bid for each query. This alleviates the need to anticipate and manage every potential search. For example, let's say that you manage an Italian restaurant in London. Broad match can help you find a variety of interested people, from a couple searching places to eat tonight on their phones nearby, to a family searching family-friendly restaurants in London, to a traveler searching best risotto near me on their laptop in their hotel. While any of these users could visit your restaurant, the optimal bid to reach them will vary. Manually adjusting the bids on individual keywords for each user is tedious and would lead to missed conversions. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more updates and valuable insights. See you next time.